Welcome back, Focus Learners. If you're someone who loves geeking out over how massive digital empires actually operate and evolve, well, you're in the exact right place. In this explainer, we're unpacking a monumental corporate shift. This is something that literally took the business world by storm back in February 2025. We're talking about the evolution of a massive household name into a full-blown tech conglomerate. Okay, let's dive into this. When the headlines first dropped, there was this immediate wave of consumer confusion and, honestly, a little bit of panic. People all over social media were asking, wait, did Zomato just change its name? Is the app I use literally every single day going away? When a brand is that deeply woven into our daily routines, any change can feel pretty alarming. And to understand that attachment, just look at this user from Assam. They've been using the platform for over 5 years, raving about everything from the crazy variety of cuisines, Indian, Chinese, American, Middle Eastern, to the amazing discounts, and, of course, that round-the-clock service. Well, if you felt that same panic when the news broke, take a deep breath. I promise, the everyday consumer experience you know and love, it's not going anywhere. So here's our roadmap for today. First, we'll meet Eternal Limited. Then we'll look at the food anchor Zomato. After that, quick commerce and B2B supply. Fourth is District, the going-out platform. And finally, we'll look at the shared tech ecosystem. Section 1. Meet Eternal Limited, from single app to diversified tech group. The absolutely crucial distinction here is between the app and the parent company. Zomato, the app on your phone, the brand name for food delivery, that remains completely unchanged. But as of February 2025, Eternal Limited is the new corporate parent company. It really reflects this massive evolution from just a single food delivery app into a highly diversified technology group.
Section 2. The food anchor, Zomato, delivering meals and discovering dining.
Let's think about a standard day in the life of a Zomato user. Maybe you use the restaurant discovery feature in the morning, right? You're reading reviews, browsing food photos to find a cool new cafe. Then, at lunch, you hit up online food delivery, complete with live order tracking and contactless drop-off. By evening, you're using their dining out services to reserve a table for the weekend. And when you add in their subscription and loyalty programs giving you free deliveries, Zomato effectively captures every single aspect of how we interact with food. But running quietly in the background is this massive financial engine. It's really not just about charging a delivery fee for dropping off a pizza. They're monetizing the whole ecosystem through delivery and restaurant commissions, selling advertising space for restaurants that want more visibility, collecting direct subscription fees from consumers, and just general platform fees. It essentially turns everyday food discovery into this incredibly robust, multi-layered business model. Section 3. Quick commerce and B2B supply, powering fast deliveries and restaurant kitchens. So let's introduce Blinkit, which is Eternal's instant commerce arm. Its entire mission is delivering everyday essentials in minutes, literally minutes. And the secret to that crazy speed is their network of dark stores. These are hyper-local fulfillment centers used strictly for packing orders, and they're strategically placed right in your neighborhood so the delivery partner can get to your door in record time. Now, when we think of quick commerce, we usually just think of grabbing milk or bread, right? But Blinkit actually manages to deliver personal care items, cosmetics, electronics, pet supplies, even festival decorations. Being able to deliver that sheer breadth of inventory in a matter of minutes is frankly a logistical marvel. Then we have Hyperpure. This is the business-to-business side of the empire, and the logic here is just brilliant. While Zomato delivers the finished, cooked meal to the consumer, Hyperpure is the vital supply chain, delivering the raw, fresh ingredients, produce, meats, dairy, packaging, directly to the chef. They've effectively captured both ends of the restaurant food cycle. Section 4. District, the going-out platform. Experiences outside the home. District really reveals Eternal's true ambition. This is a platform dedicated strictly to experiences outside the home. We're talking about booking live concerts, grabbing sports tickets, securing movie seats, exploring local attractions. Think about it like this. If Blinkit and Zomato are for when you want to stay in, District is designed to capture every single hour of your leisure time when you decide to go out. Mapping all this out, you can clearly see the distinct audience for each business unit. Zomato and Blinkit handle those at-home consumer needs. District handles out-of-home entertainment. And sitting right there in the middle is Hyperpure, the massive B2B engine serving the restaurants and hotels that make all of this possible in the first place. Okay, let's move to and see how this builds. Section 5. The shared tech ecosystem, the engine under the hood. Because the real secret sauce of Eternal Limited isn't just that they happen to own 4 different companies. It's that all 4 of these companies run on an incredibly powerful centralized technological foundation. The exact same AI that recommends a restaurant on Zomato can optimize a dark store route on Blinkit. The payment processing, the fraud detection, the merchant tools, they build it once and then deploy it across the entire digital commerce ecosystem. And when you synthesize all of this, you really start to see the massive moat Eternal Limited has built. They have this huge overlapping consumer base. They have deeply entrenched restaurant networks. They have an integrated delivery fleet that can drop off a hot meal or a new phone charger with equal efficiency. They aren't relying on a single product line anymore. Instead, they have multiple revenue streams that completely insulate them across food, retail, and entertainment. It is truly staggering when you step back and look at the whole picture. Eternal Limited has evolved from simply dropping a single meal at your doorstep to acting as the foundational technological infrastructure for the entire consumer and business commerce ecosystem in India. They feed you, they supply you, and they entertain you. So the only question left is, with this much integrated power, what experience will they deliver to you next? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer. Keep learning, and I'll catch you next time.